Coco Peat versus Coco Coir, what's the difference? There are many different types of substrates or growing mediums to choose from when it comes to growing plants. Two of the most popular choices are Coco Peat and Coco Coir. Coco Peat and Coco Coir are both excellent substrates for plants. But before you can decide which one is right for you, it's essential to understand the difference between them. We'll discuss the differences between Coco Peat and Coco Coir and help you decide which one is right for you. What is Coco Peat? Coco Peat is made from the husks of coconuts. It's a byproduct of the coconut industry and is usually used as a growing medium or substrate for plants. Coco Peat is very versatile and can be used in various ways. It can be used as a potting mix, added to soil to improve drainage, or even used on its own as a hydroponic growing medium. Coco Peat is also famous because it's environmentally friendly and sustainable. With Coco Coir. On the other hand, Coco Coir is made from the fibers of coconuts. It's another byproduct of the coconut industry, and like Coco Peat, it's very versatile. Coco Coir can be used as a potting mix, added to soil, or used on its own as a hydroponic growing medium. Coco Coir is also environmentally friendly and sustainable. However, one of the most significant benefits of Coco Coir is that it's less likely to impact than other substrates like peat moss. This means that your plants will have better drainage and nourishment. How are Coco Peat and Coco Coir different from each other? Raw material: Coco Peat is made from the husks of coconuts, while Coco Coir is made from the fibers of coconuts. Drainage and aeration: Coco Peat is more absorbent than Coco Coir and holds more water, making it better for plants that need more water. Coco Coir is beneficial as it has better drainage and aeration properties. Cation exchange capacity: Coco Coir is more resistant to mold and has a higher cation exchange capacity, making it better for plants that need more nutrients. Texture: Coco Peat is light and fluffy, while Coco Coir is coarse and fibrous. Color: Coco Peat is usually white or light brown, while Coco Coir is brown or reddish brown.